Welcome to Solidworks video tutorials. In this video, we are going to see about the basics of the 2D sketching exercises. Exercise number 5. First, select the new part. Then, click on the front plane for sketching. Now, select the center line and draw a vertical center line from the origin. And specify its dimension using Smart Dimension command. Now select offset entities and select the entities to be offset, which is the center line, and also specify the dimension of the offset which is given in the manual. Now repeat the steps further for making the offset from the previously drawn sketch. Make changes in the dimension of the offset which is given in the manual. Once the required number of the offsets in the horizontal directions are obtained, now select the line command and draw a horizontal line from the origin and select offset entities and make offset in the vertical directions and make the required number of offsets from this line which is given in the manual. Change the dimensions of the offset when necessary and is required. Once the required number of offsets are made in the vertical directions, now remove the unwanted entities within the sketch using trim command. Once the unwanted projections within the sketch are removed, now select mirror entities, then specify the entities to be mirrored and select the mirror axis as the center line or the line at the center. That's it. Our sketch is completed.